Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibin Muhammadin wa alihi wa sallam. Students, please look at the board. Look at the board, please. When you're looking here and there, left, right side, you know, it boils blood in my veins. Clear?
Yes.
My blood starts boiling in my veins, means I get angry. Gerunds answer the question what? Because they act like nouns in a sentence. Nouns also answer the question what? Same is the case with gerund. Clear? Gerund is the, you can say, maybe the babies of noun. Clear? For example, the policeman running with all his speed was unable to catch the thief. Clear? So running here is gerund answering question what? What was the policeman doing?
Catch the thief.
Clear? So it's answering question what? If it is answering question what, it means it is gerund. Clear? Participle describes or modify a noun and typically answers question which one or what kind of. The time of singing of the birds has come. Clear? So, which time has come? Singing of the bird. So, singing over here is participle. Clear? Singing here is participle modifying birds. Bringing changes in the birds, okay? The ones that are singing. Which birds? The ones that are singing. Clear? So gerunds are like things you do. Clear? And participles are like adjectives describing nouns. What do the participles do? They are like adjectives describing the nouns. Just practice this. Let's identify. Clear? This is an easy handy trick I have given you, but you can read it yourself. Because Urdu, that is not allowed in my class.
But you should.
In writing. Clear? Exercise. So I will have to identify. I have come to see you. I have already given you answer. It's B part. But you know why it is infinitive? Let me know the reason. One by one. I'm on. Why it is infinitive? Keep sitting.
Because
no protocols.
Because here the two is used.
Because to last first form of the verb, it is simple infinitive. Next one, he is a man to be admired. Yes?
It is infinitive because two is used in the verb.
With the first form of the verb, that is be.
Plus verb.
Next one, his tattered coat needs mending. He says the C part is participle. Which participle it is? Zainab?
Past.
Past participle. Past participle. Why it is past participle? Because third form ed is coming over here. Its ending is with ed. Okay, it is past participle. Well done. Next one. We had a drink of sparkling water yesterday.
Present participle because there is ing.
There is
ing
Sparkling.
with the first form.
there is ing with the first form. And which question it is answering? Which one? Which question it answers?
What type of water?
What type of water?
What kind of?
What kind of water? Okay. Or you know, it is adding, telling the quality of water over here. Next one. Walking on the grass is strictly forbidden. So what is walking? This one?
Gerund.
Why gerund?
Because a noun plus ing.
Which question it is answering?
What?
What is strictly forbidden?
Forbidden. So walking
It's
on the grass.
telling the answer of the question what is strictly forbidden. Walking on the grass. What is the answer? Walking on the grass. That's the reason it is gerund. Clear? So you should verify it through questions. Remember the question I am, making it, turning it back. Remember the questions for participles. Which one?
Which one? What?
What kind of? Okay. And which question it answers? And
What
then
gerund? What on the first?
it answers the question what? So you remember this question, note it down. Note them down in your rough notebooks. Here, what kind of? Which one or what kind of?
For participants.
These questions, participle answer these questions. Which one or what kind of? Okay, and gerund answers what? Clear? Will you remember these questions?
Yes.
Should we turn the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I like reading.
Sir, what is 6?
Oh, number 6. Sorry. Working all day, I became tired. Working all day, I became tired. Clear? So why it is present participle or why it is participle? Which participle it is, Zola?
It is present participle
Present participle. Why present participle?
because there is ing with verb.
ING. Okay. And which question it is answering?
It is asking what kind of day it was.
What kind of?
Day it was.
Okay. What kind of day it was? Which made me tired? Which thing made me tired? Okay. So working all the day made me tired. Okay. Next one, I like reading poetry. Why it is gerund? No, somebody else. You. Why it is gerund?
Because it is
Answering question.
answering the question.
What kind of question it is answering?
Because the use of ing and what kind like
What?
Which question it is answering?
like
Sir?
Somebody else. You. Which question it is answering?
What quickly requires practice? This is
Huh?
the question. What quickly requires practice?
7.
I'm talking about 7. What I like. What I like. I like reading. Clear? Next one. Reading quickly requires practice. Again, it is gerund. But how can you identify the gerund?
Because it's answering what?
What?
Tell me the question. Tell me the
What
question.
reading requires?
What requires practice? Reading quickly requires practice. Okay.
The next second.
He is fond of collecting tickets. Again, it is gerund. How will you verify it? Answer the question.
What found of tickets?
No, what he is found
What
out.
he is found.
What he is fond of. What he is fond of. Next one. He is desirous of being praised.
Sir,
Yes.
what he is desirous of?
What he is desirous of. Well done. What he is desirous of.
Say 2 minutes, sir.
The policeman running with all his speed was unable to catch the thief. Which question it is answering?
Why the policeman is running?
What was
was the
catch?
policeman?
He catch.
What was policeman doing with all this speed?
Yes.
Yes.
What was policeman?
Doing with all his speed.
The policeman running with all his speed. What was policeman doing?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. What was?
Clear? Next one. The time of singing of the birds has come. Again, which question it is answering?
What?
Yes.
What